Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your passport contains a biometric chip and the gate supports e-passport readers. That prevents delays. Next, present your boarding pass QR or digital copy at entry and make sure your phone screen is bright and unlocked. Once done, approach the lane indicated for biometric processing, remove hats and glasses, and keep hair off your face. This improves facial scan accuracy. Stay calm and follow the officer's instruction. This first step sets a smooth pace for the rest of your journey. Now complete the core capture. Stand on the marked spot 1 to 2 meters from the camera and align yourself with the on-screen guide so your face fills the frame correctly. Hold still for 5 to 10 seconds while the system captures multiple angles. Move slowly if asked, because consistent motion ruins the match. If fingerprint verification is required, place each finger flat on the scanner, apply gentle pressure, and keep the finger dry. Clean hands increase sensor reliability. Follow prompts until the system confirms success. Finish by verifying your identity on the confirmation screen and collecting any printed receipt or electronic confirmation. You'll need it to board. If the system flags a mismatch, don't argue. Request a manual officer review right away so they can compare your passport and photo and complete alternate checks. Make sure to remove sunglasses, clean any smudged camera lens if allowed, and retry in different lighting when instructed. These simple fixes resolve most failures. Once cleared, proceed directly to security or the gate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.